Point.
Point. Whoa.
Have Tony flush the bird.
Yeah. Yeah. Tony, walk in the middle.
Walk around or not the side.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go on the side.
One.
Walk around, see if you see a bird.
I don't see shit.
All right, turn around. Tap the dog on the head.
Go.
Easy. Point. Whoa.
Gotta be between you and Tony, Dad. Gotta be in that front.
Keep walking, though. Just pay attention. Look up when you're walking. All right, up.
It's gotta be right between you guys.
All right, Tony, just pay attention. Pay attention. It's got to be a hen. Easy. Whoa! Bird.
Look at that, I see black in that bush right in front of you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is right there.
All right, Tony.
Is it facing you?
Tony, just walk in and don't shoot up.
Don't get nervous. Just
Yeah.
aim and shoot.
Hey. Oh, nice shot! That bird! Here, that bird! That bird! You got your first rooster! Hey, look what you did to it! There ain't no stuff in that one! Come on! Here you go! Come on!
That's a pretty bird.
Come here, girl!
Yeah, that's good.
Hey,
Tony! There's no tail feathers, Tony!
fucking ass.
Tony!
Kicked his ass. Get that on camera.
Beautiful shot, Tony! Beautiful shot!
That was, man.
All right, put another shell in the gun.
Shot the ass out of
Shot
it.
the ass out of his right.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that on YouTube. Look at that.
Here. Oh my gun. Don't scratch.
Nice shot, Tony. Thanks.
All right.